Pennsylvania here somewhere. Not 100% sure where, but we're about 150 miles north, or not north, no, northwest of New York City, kind of. And just been cruising, and it just rained a little bit. Looks like it might rain again. I'm essentially looking for a little pull off. I got a tinkle. I haven't really stopped since New York City. I was hoping for some food as well, perhaps some quick little bite, something tiny. I don't really want to do a whole restaurant or anything, but yeah, no. Chilling. Don't particularly know anything around here. That's private. Does look nice. The temperature definitely dropped. It was 85 degrees, and after the rain it dropped to 72, and that's what it is now. Still pleasant. Still very pleasant. I'm just glad that the sky is clearing up just a little bit. Just need a cute little, maybe a little park, or a little, you know, pull up. Would be nice. Sure would be nice. A lot of stuff around here is private. A lot of cool driveways and pull-offs, they're all like marked as private, so definitely don't want to deal with that. So far, except for one construction zone that made me lost my shit. Made me lose my shit. Everything else been pretty chill. What is this? Post office? Some sort of an office. We got a park. Skyview Memorial Park. Well, it looks like it's a cemetery. So stop here. It's cool. I love exploring. Village of Hometown. There we go. Hometown, Pennsylvania. Because it's not that far from the city. But I love exploring. Like, look, I don't think I've ever been here before, and if I have, then it's been fucking a long time. It's been years. Still got 70 miles to go until my destination. Got a little red light over here. Cute. Little McDonald's. Trying to decide if I want to grab some Mickey D's real quick. I don't particularly want Mickey D's, but you know. Also not a lot of options. Not too many options. Oh, cute little toy over here. Yeah, I don't want McDonald's. I really told myself no McDonald's today. That was one thing I didn't want. Take anything. Take Wendy's. I'm gonna take Taco Bell. Just no McDonald's. That's it. Could grab a little something. Some nuggies. Nah, they're good. Bunch of fast food that way. We're okay. Perhaps next McDonald's I'll stop at, because there has been no It's like a little bit of a food desert around here. Hasn't been much food at all, to be honest. See what's going on over here. Nice cute little town of hometown, USA, if you will. Got a little farmer's market. Cute. Looks pretty empty. Pretty empty. Guessing it's probably open on good old weekends. It's probably a massive thing. Looks like there's a little bit of a park here. Gonna pull off. See, we got a little river. Could this be some sort of a cool little pull off? Maybe. I do need to pee-pee, so I think we should stop. That looked kind of like a little bit of a something rather, but it's going to be another little pull off on the map that I see, so we'll stop. Might kind of road this nice and chill over there. Lake. Looks like it's private. Okay. We'll stop in there. All gravy. All gravy, baby. We got a turn. Another turn. Cute. Little Dollar General. Seems like there's a lot of Dollar Generals around here. Seems like a hot ticket for the customers. People dig it. People like it. We got a little beer distributor. Ooh, it's a hairpin. Look at this. Sickness. Going 2 miles. We'll take a little left. I also need to plug in my phone. Just because I upgraded my USB charger, and unfortunately it wasn't dead daddy's home. That was the dumbest shit ever. Alright, 3.2 miles on this road. The brown bag. Hershey's ice cream. Ooh, a rocket. Cute. I dig it. Under 70 miles, that's right. 65 miles to go. Counting him down. Nice pool. Cruising and side by sides. I dig it. I like it. It's fucking awesome. Road this. Glad the rain laid off too. For a second I thought I was gonna get proper wet. Cute little houses. Little towns. Who knows what they're called? Nobody knows. Nice little pull off here.